Hi guys, this is Regine. Today we're going to learn about what is the relationship between multiplication and division. So we have learned that multiplication is repeated addition, and we have practiced many different ways that we can model that using a number line, arrays, just repeating the addition and adding. So if we have 4 times 8 and we're trying to figure that out, we can do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can also do 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Because we've learned that multiplication is commutative, so either way would be fine. And we can add those up and we can solve that problem. So 4 times 8 or 8 times 4, that's the same answer, and we would get 32. But now we can use the exact same numbers to help us solve division problem. So if the division problem, division is the inverse of multiplication, and that means it's the opposite of multiplication. So as a multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. So if we are solving for 32 divided by 8, we can think of it as 32 minus 8, which gives us 24, and that's the first time I subtracted. And then 24 minus 8, which gives us 16, that's my second time. And 16 minus 8, which is 8, and that's my third time. And then 8 minus 8 is 0. And I am done. I am done with the division problem when I cannot make any more equal groups. So when I get to 0 in this case, I am done. So 32 divided by 8 is 4. It took me 4 tries to do that. And if I was doing 32 divided by 4, that would be 8. It's the same idea. I could do repeated subtraction, or I can draw, well, we can try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So if I have 32 tally marks, I can keep putting groups of 4 and see how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. So if we learn our multiplication fact, we will be very successful with division also. So I want you to try one using fact families and keeping in mind that multiplication and division are inverse operation. So if I have 3 times 8, I can use a number line. 3 times 8. So I have 8, and then I add another 8, and that gives me 16, and I add another 8, that gives me 24, and now I know that 8 times 3 is also 24 because of the commutative property, but now I also know 24 divided by 8 is, well, you can just, again, think of that repeated subtraction and think about the fact family that we've been doing. So I do know 24 divided by 8 is 3. Or I also know 24 divided by 3 is 8. All right, so today we reviewed the relationship between multiplication and division. We realized that multiplication and division have an inverse relationship. Multiplication is repeated addition. Division is repeated subtraction. And if you're able to solve a multiplication fact, that will help you solve the other commutative fact and also the division facts that are associated with those numbers. All right, I hope that helped. See you next time.